In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste for all slides in PowerPoint 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to copy every slide from an existing presentation and paste them into a new one using PowerPoint on the web. This is perfect when you want to duplicate a deck, reuse a template, or merge content quickly without touching each slide one by one. Start by opening your web browser and searching for PowerPoint. Head to the PowerPoint web app and sign in with your Microsoft account. Being signed in ensures you can access your files and that your changes are saved automatically as you work. Once you're on the PowerPoint homepage, open the presentation that contains the slides you want to copy. You'll see a list of your files. Click the one you need to work with. When the presentation opens, look at the left-hand pane where all the slide thumbnails are displayed. Click any single slide to select it. Now press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac to select all slides at once. You should see every thumbnail highlighted, which means they're all included in your selection. With all slides selected, right-click on any of the highlighted thumbnails and choose Copy. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac does the same thing. This copies every selected slide, keeping their order and content. Next, return to the PowerPoint homepage and create a blank presentation. This gives you a clean workspace to paste everything into. When the new blank deck opens, click the first slide to set your insertion point. Right-click on the slide canvas or in the left thumbnail pane and choose Paste. You can also use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Depending on your version, you may see paste options such as Keep Source Formatting or Use Destination Theme. Keep Source Formatting preserves the original look of the slides, while Use Destination Theme adapts them to the new presentation's theme. Pick the one that fits your goal. All your slides will paste in, preserving their order from the original deck. If paste seems slow, give it a moment, especially for large presentations. If nothing appears, try the keyboard shortcut or use the paste button on the ribbon. On the web, your work saves automatically, so you don't need to worry about losing progress. That's it. You searched and signed in, opened your source presentation, selected all slides, copied them, created a new blank deck, and pasted everything in one go. Simple, fast, and consistent across devices.